Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaway, I have my palette giveaway going on now. I'll put that link in the description box below, and then when this channel hits 200 subscribers, we're doing a big giveaway, big box of stuff. So make sure you are subscribed and stay tuned. So today we're going to be unboxing the Lip Monthly subscription for May. If you are new to Lip Monthly, ships out monthly for $12.95 and usually get 4 to 5 full-size products in there, and then the products have just a retail price of over $50. Not bad for the $12 that you're spending to get this bag. So let's dive into it. So you always get a cute little card. It says Girl Power on this side. And then the other side says, welcome to May 2019 bag. We are well into the spring season and summer is only just around the corner. This month we've curated a bag that'll help you shine bright as the weather gets warmer and the days get longer. So the first item is by Lord & Berry. It is their Ultimate Lip Liner. They are a cruelty-free brand. This retails for $16.43. It is in the shade 3049 Toasty. Looks like this. So a little bit about it is the Ultimate Lip Liner is the original Lord & Berry lip pencil, comfortable and easy to use in the new round-shaped barrel lip pencil whose formula is enriched with LXB complex to soften and protect the skin, line, and fill-in lips with the Ultimate Lip Liner and finish with a gloss or lipstick. The formula includes macadamia oil and water lily extract. It is waterproof, highly blendable for more natural lining. The round barrel pencil allows ease in handling. It's really easy to wear with a wide variety of skin tones. So I'm trying to get over my phobia of putting wooden pencils around my eyes or my lips. So I'm starting off with the lips and starting to do more wooden pencils there. I'm still not quite sure about doing wooden pencils around the eye. So we'll go ahead and swatch this because I will use it. I'm just making that line kind of a little thicker here. You can obviously do it thinner. And how pretty is that? Look great underneath a maroon or kind of a brown tone lipstick or gloss. From Laritzy is a velvet liquid lipstick. It is in the shade Saint, retails for $20. It is cruelty-free brand. And a little bit about it. Let's actually take a look at it here really quick. So here's what the sheen looks. It looks like it has a little bit of a metallic sheen to it. It says our velvet lipsticks combine highly pigmented, high-performance lip color with fine metallic pearl, so there's the metallic in it, for a gorgeous, velvety, smooth finish. The vibrant lip colors are non-drying, comfortable to wear, and unbelievably long-lasting. It has a red with a soft orange undertone. Because my skin is more a cool tone, and I don't really like metallic lipsticks, I'm happy to pass this one on. I might, so I don't want to open it, might even throw it in that giveaway. Here we have the IBY Feathermatte Liquid Lipstick, another cruelty-free brand. This one is in the color Nude. Retails for $12. Ooh, this is really pretty, you guys. So Feathermate's smooth, lightweight formula provides a comfortable, creamy texture for lips that last. Grab your favorite shade for those long meetings or fun date nights in the city. So this is a limited only collection. It is in, they call this the Nude, the soft brown. It's vegan, gluten-free, soft silk texture with a flexible feel, paraben, gluten, and sulfate-free. The pro tip on this: exfoliate your lips to create a smooth base for a flawless application. This is a really pretty nude, you guys. So here's what it looks like, and I'll swatch this on the back of the hand. Ooh, this is gorgeous. So it's this one here. That is so pretty. So I didn't know that Lip Monthly had their own brand of lipstick. Here's what this is. It is their moisturizing lipstick. It's Lip Monthly's very own moisturizing lipstick formula in the color Deep Purple. Retails for $9. Here's what the packaging looks like. When they said deep purple, they weren't kidding. Here you go. So I know that I'm not gonna wear this, so I will be passing this one along. So the total retail value of this bag was $57.43. You know, you only spent $12 on it. I think my favorite is gonna be the IBY Nude liquid lipstick. I think this is really pretty. Which ones are your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you get this bag and kind of what you think of it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It does mean a lot to me when you like videos, when you subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye!